In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your Instagram story from one specific person. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app, then tap at plus sign and select story. Now you can use your camera to record a video or take a photo, or you can use your phone's gallery to upload some picture from here. I'll just pick that one, and let's say now I want to share that story to everyone except one specific person. All I have to do in that case is hit right here at that arrow icon, then I can check mark close friends, and then I can hit right here where it says amount and the person to correct the persons whom I want to show that story to. So right here I can hit at select all to check mark all the users, and then I have to find the person whom I don't want to show that story and just uncheck mark that user. After that, I can hit at share and then hit on done to share that story to everyone except one specific user. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.